Hello friends, welcome you back. So now we are going to discuss question number 1 of exercise 6.4. So let's start. Let triangle ABC and triangle DEF are similar. That is, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. These two triangles are similar and their areas be respectively 64 cm square. So one of the area is 64 cm square and 121 cm square. If EF equal to 15.4 cm, so length of EF equal to 15.4 cm, find BC. So you have to find the length of BC. Where is BC? You have to find the length of BC. So solution. Given. What is given? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. These two triangles are similar. It is given to us. Area of triangle ABC equal to 64 cm square given. Area of triangle DEF equal to 121 cm square. It is also given. EF equal to 15.4 cm. It is also given that length of EF equal to 15.4 cm. Now we'll move to the proof section. So as we know, if two triangles are similar, ratio of their areas are equal to square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. This is what theorem 6.6 is all about, isn't it? So, area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DEF is equal to AB square by DE square, AB square by DE square, which is also equal to AC square by DF square, AC square by DF square, which is also equal to BC square by EF square, BC square by EF square. Now, so area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DEF is equal to area of triangle ABC is 64 cm square and this is equal to 121. 64 by 121 will be equal to BC square by EF square. We don't need all these things. We only need BC and EF, so that we will directly go to BC by EF. BC square by EF square. Now, it implies 64 by 121 is equal to 6 by 11. That means 8 square is 64, 11 square is 121. 8 by 11 square divide is equal to BC square by EF square. So BC divided by value of EF, that is given here, 15.4. So BC divided by 15.4 whole square, isn't it? Now 8 by, now we can eradicate the squares from both these sides. So 8 by 11 is equal to BC by 15.4. Now implies BC will be equal to 8 into this 15 by 4 will transpose to LHS, so that 8 into 15.4 divided by 11. So yes, now BC is equal to 8 into 1.4. You can solve all these things. Now implies BC is equal to 11.2 centimeters. So we got the value of BC, that is what we require. Now we'll move to the second part, that is question number 2. Let's start. So question number 2 is saying diagonals of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel DC, where AB is parallel to DC, intersect each other at point 2. So diagonal, these two diagonal, you can see AC diagonal and B or BD diagonal are intersecting each other at point O. If AB equal to 2CD, it is given that AB is equal to 2 into CD. Okay, so this much is given. So now we'll move to the solution. So given already we have already discussed what is given. Now in triangle AOB and triangle COD. Now find what is triangle AOB and COD. AOB, this triangle, and triangle COD, this triangle. Okay, we have angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Why? We say because AB is parallel to DC and CA or AC is the transversal. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and they are alternate angles. Okay. Similarly, angle 4 is equal to angle 3 or angle 3 is equal to 4, whatever you can write. Angle 3 is equal to 4, alternate angles. Angle 5 is equal to angle 6. Okay. Why? Because they are vertically opposite angles. So you can see three angles of one triangle is equal to corresponding three angles of another triangle. Therefore, the triangle AOB will be similar to triangle COD. This triangle will be similar to this triangle, and the similarity criterion will be angle similarity criterion. Okay, we are clear from up to this much. Now, same story. We will now move to theorem 6.6. Part theorem 6.6 is saying if two triangles are similar, then the ratio of the area are equal to the square of the ratio of the corresponding sides, isn't it? So area of triangle AOB divided by area of triangle COD, yeah, will be equal to AB square by CD square. AB square, because AB is a side and its corresponding side is CD. So AB square by CD square will be equal to area of triangle AOB and area of triangle COD. Divide. So now, one second, we'll move it. Okay. Now we have it has given that AB equal to 2 into CD. So in this place AB square divided by CD square, in this place, in place of AB we can write 2 into CD, isn't it? So in place of AB we have written 2 into CD. There are square, so AB square was there, 2 into CD square divided by CD square. Now which will be equal to 4 into 2 square is 4 into CD square divided by CD square, which is equal to 4 by 1, isn't it? So you can see area of triangle AOB divided by area of triangle COD is equal to what? 4 divided by 1. Therefore, ratio of triangle or area of triangle AOB and area of triangle COD is what? 4 by 1 or 4 is to 1. This is what we required. Hence, we require the area. This ratio of these two triangles is equal to 4 is to 1. Okay. Thank you.